Welcome back, travelers. This is Taylor with the Vacationeer, and today we're checking into a massive fan favorite resort property here at Walt Disney World, Disney's Coronado Springs Resort, and we're heading straight into the gorgeous Gran Destino Tower. Today we're doing a complete walkthrough of a village room to help you choose the perfect layout for your Disney crew. While Coronado Springs is technically classified as a moderate resort, stepping into the tower completely changes that game. It features the upscale styling and stunning architecture of a deluxe tier hotel, but at a lower price point. What makes staying in the tower so popular is the sheer convenience. Unlike the sprawling outer villages of the resort, staying here gives you interior hallways and easy centralized access to incredible dining, gorgeous lounges, and fitness centers all under one roof. Plus, for families, the logistics are great. You'll enjoy efficient transport access straight to nearby Disney's Hollywood Studios and Epcot, as well as the rest of the Walt Disney World parks, making it the perfect home base to balance thrilling park days with a unique, sophisticated resort experience. But before you lock in your Disney vacation packages, remember to contact the Vacationeer. We handle all of the heavy lifting, from securing the perfect room or suite to bundling your theme park tickets, dining packages, and guiding you through lightning lanes and VIP tours, ensuring your family gets the best value and a completely stress-free getaway. Reach out to your Vacationeer advisor today or click the booking link located in the description below. Now, without further ado, let's dive right in and tour the room. As we step away from the Gran Destino Tower and head into the gorgeous sprawling villages of Coronado Springs, let's check out one of the village rooms where you can choose between a single king bed or a 2-queen bed configuration. And when you book these village rooms with your Vacationeer advisor, you're going to notice two primary location categories: standard location and preferred location. Booking a preferred room ensures that you are physically closest to El Centro and the tower, meaning you're just a short, easy walk away from the main lobby, the gift shops, as well as the bulk of the resort's table service dining, while the standard rooms are spread throughout the rest of the resort in the quieter sections like the desert-themed ranchos or the beachy cabanas. While standard rooms are further away from the main lobby and restaurants, staying in a standard room in the cabanas or ranchos can actually put you much closer to the dig site, which is the resort's spectacular feature pool with a 50-foot Mayan pyramid. And if you don't mind a beautiful 5 to 10 minute walk along the water to grab breakfast, saving your budget by booking a standard room is a great option. But with all that out of the way, let's head inside so I can show you exactly how this layout compares to a tower room. Stepping inside the room, you'll find the main bedroom area. As mentioned earlier, these tower rooms come equipped with either a single king bed or 2 queens. This is the 2-queen configuration. With upgraded linens and comfy bedding, you know you'll get a good night's sleep after a full day in the parks. You can also see little tech upgrades throughout the room. Set in between the bed, you'll find a small dresser where you'll find US outlets, as well as tons of USB plugs to keep your devices juiced up and ready for the parks. And just above the headboards, they've also attached small adjustable directional reading lamps right into the frame. Another addition we loved was the storage. The bed frames are elevated with ample clearance underneath the beds, allowing you to easily tuck away larger luggage out of the way. Directly across from the queen beds is your main entertainment hub, featuring a large flat panel smart TV, and this system is loaded with live TV channels, resort information, and a massive selection of complimentary Disney movies on demand to wind down with at night. Below the TV is a large desktop that can double as a vanity, with 6 large drawers on the right-hand side and a desk light on top, as well as more plugs and USB ports set above the desk for charging. Like I said, there's a ton of charging real estate in these updated rooms. On the far side of the desk, you'll find the Hey Disney smart speaker assistant, which acts as the personal in-room concierge. You can literally speak to it to ask for extra towels from housekeeping, play Disney trivia with kids, or even set up a magical morning wake-up call from characters like Mickey or Goofy. On the opposite side of the desk, you'll find your dedicated refreshment station. This built-in counter houses your Keurig coffee maker with a premium selection of coffees and teas, refreshed daily for that essential morning cup of joe. This station also features a hidden cooler built right into the cabinetry below. Finally, set in the corner of the room is a small reading chair, and as we enter the bathroom, you'll find a large double vanity equipped with a large backlit mirror and a handy magnifying mirror mounted right to the side. There's open storage to the side of the mirror, and down below the counter, you'll also have 2 cupboards to tuck your smaller personal items completely out of the way, which is also where you'll find the hairdryer. Inside the bathroom, you'll also find a wardrobe that has hanging storage, as well as the complimentary steamer. These upgraded room layouts feature a large walk-in shower equipped with a luxury rainfall shower head up above, a separate adjustable shower wand, and premium bath amenities. They've also included a built-in retractable clothesline that you can pull across the shower, which comes in particularly handy to dry off everyone's wet bathing suits after a long afternoon spent cooling off at the resort pool. I do want to point out, I like the separation of the bathroom and the sink area. That way you can have somebody getting ready in the sinks outside and somebody can be taking a shower or using the restroom in the other room. Beyond your room, there's so much to explore right here at Coronado Springs. Because you're staying in the tower, you have elevator access straight up to the 16th floor for rooftop dining at Toledo or upscale cocktails at the Dahlia Lounge, both featuring some of the best panoramic views on the Disney property. You can also head right downstairs to the stunning Barcelona Lounge for your morning espresso, take a walk across the lake to enjoy dinner over the water at Three Bridges Bar and Grill, or spend an afternoon cooling off at the massive pool area built around a spectacular 50-foot Mayan pyramid. If you want to see exactly what the other rooms, suites, or full layouts look like across the property, we have a complete Coronado Springs playlist available right here on our channel that you can check out. And to make the most of your next Walt Disney World vacation, remember to reach out to your Vacationeer advisor or click the booking link down in the description. We handle every detail of the planning, from finding the perfect room and bundling your tickets to setting up dining packages so you can simply sit back, relax, and soak up the magic. Thank you so much for watching, and if this tour helped you envision your next Disney getaway, please give it a like, hit subscribe, and share it with all your Disney friends. Until next time, this is Taylor with the Vacationeer, keeping your coffee hot and your travel plans even hotter.